Hello there. So I'm going to show you that you can record in IncrediMail. Open up a new message and you see this recorder icon in the top middle there. Add a voice. You can left click on that. You have to have a working microphone, so if you talk on anything chat or whatever, you got a microphone, and hopefully it's default. If it's default, why then it'll go to default. And you left click on record, have your microphone ready in front of you. Testing 1 2 1 2 3. And then stop when you've finished recording your message, and you can test it by mashing the play button.
Testing 1 2 1 2 3.
And then from there you can just click attach, and it will attach it to the message that you can send out. Or you can just record over again, and it will forget about the first recording and start a new recording. And let's see, we got the options here, more options button, and you can choose, like I'm choosing a low quality here, low quality, and you can name it, give it a name like a test message or whatever. And you can add it to your styles box too. It will go to the music portion of your styles box, or you could just save it to your files, save as. So that's how you do it. It's pretty straightforward, I think. I hope this helps you out.